Hi, I'm Adi.
Hi, I'm Advait.
Hi, I'm Ahmad.
I'm Smith.
And I am Shaurya.
And today we will be presenting on the Persian Iranian theater, specifically set design.
In today's meeting, we discussed the main components that will be in our set design. This was our planning stage. 70% of our furniture that we include will be modern. The remaining 30% will be traditional. Some accent pieces or accessories in the set can include a Persian rug, Middle Eastern bamboo sofas, an ornate backdrop which will have minarets in courtyard of nearby mosque and lamps, modern Iranian mansion as the backdrop. That's what the general structure will look like. Hookah slash smoking pipe is also an accessory used quite often in the Middle East, and it's quite common. And a short staircase from center stage to lower stage. The pencil sketch will only be black and white, whereas the digital collage that we do later will include color. We will try to make the paper sketch as realistic as possible, whereas the collage will focus more on the smaller details, the color, and most importantly, the creativity. Based on these things, we plan to make our digital collage as best as possible.
After the planning session, our group decided to finally draw out the sketch for the digital collage. We decided to include elements that were discussed in our planning sessions, such as the Persian rug, hookah, the smoking pipe, and the bamboo sofas. This sketch was created so that the viewer gets an idea of the Iranian culture and the Persian theatre and its characteristics. A real drawing to depict the relation to the play Rumors will be shown later on this video. Shaurya and his dad first sketched out a couple of drafts that were used as reference when drawing the final paper sketch. In it, they incorporated the use of the large ornate background that includes minarets, a staircase in a lower stage, props in the center, and spaces of characters to move around in upper stage. Overall, we felt that this drawing is a great example of Iranian culture and Persian theatre, and hope to make it more relevant to the play Rumors in the future.
Arya and his dad started off by making a rough sketch based on the brainstormed ideas we formed in the note making session we did earlier. As you can see, this sketch was used as a reference image on making the final one. After making the first sketch, that was mainly based on an outdoor play embracing Iranian Persian theater culture. Shaurya and his dad now are making a sketch associated to the theatrical play we watched in class, Rumors. The sketch was assimilated into a modern scenario. However, we included the essence of Iranian Persian theatrical culture, furniture, props, and decor. Not only this, we also included elements that are seen in modern day theatrical plays. This drawing accurately describes how all the elements of the set look and how they are positioned amongst each other to look aesthetically pleasing.
Our group began brainstorming for what we could add to the digital collage. We thought that we would use all of the main props and find images of them, the most relevant and the most suitable ones that we can use. We added images of the prop, such as the Persian rug, the smoking pipe, hookah, lamps, the bamboo Persian sofas, and etc. We also added elements that are integral of the sets on the large scale, such as the minarets, a staircase, and finally a top platform that the staircase would connect to, and the bottom platform. Ultimately, we also added images of the backdrop that would complement the rest of the house and the props that we are using for the set. Overall, we were able to find suitable images that brings the set drawing to life, while also adding smaller details and color into what we will become our final digital collage.
Since the previous digital collage file corrupted and could not be uploaded to this tutorial, we decided to show the making of the second collage, our main and final one, in more depth to give you students the idea of how to design a set. In this collage, we aimed to add things such as a staircase leading up to the second floor and a dining area which are relevant to the play Rumors. It is important to consider the play you are designing the set for, keeping in mind other chosen parameters as well, especially those that are related to the chosen time and place, so that you should add any relevant characteristics which may be required in the set. To design this collage, we used Canva as our platform, and it proved to be very helpful since it gave us all the right tools we needed. For example, props and furniture, and a way to arrange them very well. We referred to the note making session as well as the previous paper sketches made to make the collage as detailed as possible.
There are various elements of set design that can be seen in our final digital collage. Color can be seen in this collage because the set mainly incorporates soothing colors such as cream, used in the pillar and staircase, and light brown, used in the floors, doors, and tables. This collage also contains colors that are related to Iranian culture, such as the pink Persian rug, a color commonly found in Iranian landmarks such as in the Nasir al-Mulk Mosque in Shiraz, or the green prayer mat, a color that symbolizes Islam, the primary religion in Iran. Shape in this collage can be visually seen in elements such as a smoke pipe and people praying. These elements are made up of very irregular shapes with contrast to the perfect rectangles in the floor, cylinder, and in the pillar, and oval in the table. This contrast is what makes these irregular shapes stand out in the set. Balance is used in the collage because there are some large elements such as the minarets and the arch in the windows and the pillar in the house, as well as small elements such as the Persian rug, smoke pipe, and prayer mats. Having such a large difference in balance creates contrast between elements, which appears aesthetically pleasing to the audience. There are many different textures in this collage, such as the smoothness of the floor, the odd shapes of the table and the smoke pipe, and the unique feeling of the prayer mat and Persian rug. Texture helps engage another of the viewer's senses when they view the collage, which engages them more into the play. Focus can be found in this collage because there are symmetrical elements such as the whole seating area in the set, while it is surrounded by asymmetrical components of the set. Having a symmetrical composition can help place emphasis and focus on those specific elements, since symmetry is aesthetically pleasing and likely to stand out, while asymmetrical elements will complement them. While the set is filled with props, there is enough space to make sure it does not appear cluttered, such as places in lower stage and upper stage. The space will also allow characters to move freely without having props or items restricting their movement. Variety, finally, can be seen in this set because there are elements that have different purposes in our set. Some, such as the rug and smoke pipe, are used to portray Iranian culture, whereas others, such as the dining area and staircase, are used to show the setting for the play Rumors in modern times.